Hi guys, welcome back again. And today, without wasting much time, we are going to look at our subject called the candlesticks, where we ended last time on the video titled Introduction to Professional Trading. And I'm going to explain on the subject candlesticks and on the candlesticks. So we are going to look at my six powerful candlesticks that I used to trade. All right. So all what is required from you is attention and be able to apply this strategy. I can assure you that you'll be able to make a stable income just using this strategy. Yes, it's a proven and tested strategy. I've proven and I've tested it and it works. Even now, I'm trading using the same strategy to trade stocks, gold, silver, to trade also indices. All right. So let's get started to our message. Okay, so the first thing I will explain what candlesticks are. Remember, on the chart, there are three types of charts. Sorry, on the trading platform, there are three types of chart, which is the line chart, the bar charts, and also the candlesticks. And we are going to focus on the candlesticks. Why? Because candlesticks, it gives us a clear information and a clear market direction. All right. Just in case somebody doesn't know how these things are, maybe it's your first time hearing this. Bar chart, they are like this, and candlesticks are like that. Then line chart is like this as usual. All right, I get this is clear. So now we are going to focus on candlesticks patterns, and I'm going to give you 5 powerful candlesticks, actually 6 powerful candlesticks that I use, all right, mostly. Okay, so just we all know that in Forex market there are two players. There are buyers and the sellers. So meaning that there are candles that present the buyers and the sellers. That's the reason why when you open your MT4 or your MT5 platform, you notice that there are two types of candles there. There are white candles. Let me say, depending on the platform we are using, you find that there are two different colored candles. All right. There are candles that present buyers and there are candles that present sellers. All right. So, for example, this is the candle. This candle represents the sellers. This candle represents the buyers. All right. So the candles that present the buyers, usually they open down here. This is their opening and their closing. So it opens here, then it closes here. All right. So you find there's a tail here. There is also another tail. In other books, you find it's titled wicks. All right. Sorry. Okay. So this week they communicate something. So it simply means that when the candle opened here, it first came down before it went up like that. Then it went up, it went up, it went up, it went up, then rejection. Then it closed here. All right. So this is the closing and this is the opening. Okay. All right. Then on the sellers, it opens from here, then it closes from here. So meaning it opened from here, it went up a bit, then it went down and closed here. All right, so this is how candles work. Okay, so the sellers is opposite, the seller candle is opposite to the buyer's candle. All right, so this is the description about the candlesticks. And this one here, this part here to this part is the body. This is the body. All right, this is the body. This is to the body. All right, so let's go to number one, the first type of candle that I'll share with you. And before I launch to how to apply them. Okay, so number one, we are going to look at the pin bars. The pin bars. So the pin bars have got a long tail and short head and a small body. What do I mean? So they are like this. Like I said, there are two players in Forex market, buyers and sellers. So first look at a pin bar that represent buyers. So it's like that. All right. Okay. What's happening with my camera? It's not seem to be clear. Okay. So now you find that the lower part is longer than the top part. Same thing here. Same thing here. Sometimes you find that it doesn't even have the head. It's just a body and the tail. All right. So this one is a bullish pin bar. Mean they are buyers pin bars. Okay. And the seller pin bar is opposite. Them is like this. Like that. Like that. Okay, so this one is opposite to this one. Okay, they are opposite. So how do you apply this? For example, all right, these are bullish pin bars, right? So let's say that the market is been going down like that. These are candles. Okay, so the market has been going down like this. Then here you notice something like that. All right, this is a pin bar. So this one, it tells you that the market is about to go up. Therefore, you need to prepare your buy setup or your buy order. All right, so immediately this candle closes here, you wait for the next candle. The next candle also to do what? To close. Immediately it closes. It closes on top here. Remember, this is the market which was going down, so meaning these are bearish or these are sellers. Then you see this candle here. Then you see buyers coming in. You wait for this candle, for the second candle to close. Then you place your buy order here. Simply mean that the market is about to go up. All right? And the opposite is true on these ones. Okay? So let's say the market has been going up like that. Sorry. Like that. Then you see this here. it shows that it shows that the market is about to turn. So you wait for this candle to cross here. Then you enter your sell here, your sell order. All right. This shows that the market is turning. The market is turning from here, and it's about now to shoot going up. This is the meaning, guys. This is the meaning. All right. Let's go to our next type of candle. Sorry, I don't know where I've put my razor. So I'll use my hands and me start looking for it. I waste time. Okay. So we'll go to the second candles. They are called tweezers. I don't know if that's a correct spelling. Tweezers. So how do you tell that these are tweezers? The tweezers, sorry, I was doing something. So so the tweezers, we'll start with the bullish tweezers. So the bullish tweezers is like this. So this one is these are sellers, right? These are bullish. Then you find this is so the tweezers, this is how they look like. All right. The sellers and the buyers, they are the same size. They have the same size. All right. So when you see this, these candles, same size, same board, same structure, but different colors. All right. It simply shows that the market is about to start going up. All right. So let's say these are sellers, then this candle represent buyers. So it simply shows that the market is about to shoot now to go up. All right. So one of the greatest mistake which most people make is they don't wait for these candles to confirm. They have to all cross. All right. This candle need to cross for you to be sure that these are tweezers. Then the next candle now, that's where you prepare to enter your trade. All right. So this is how you analyze when you want to place a trade based on the tweezers type of candlesticks. All right. So we'll go to our next candle called a doji. All right. So sorry. So on this one, the opposite is true. So what do I mean when I say the opposite is true? So if this candle is this one here, like let's say the market was going up, then it forms this one, then it forms this candle. All right. This one shows that the market is about to start going down. All right. Okay. And here, if the market was going down like that, then you see this one forming here. It shows that the market is about to shoot going up. And if the market has been going up, then you see this being formed, these two candles, same size. It shows that the market is about to go down. All right. This is how you analyze the market. Okay. Let's go to our next candle. Our next candle is called a doge. A doge. A doge usually is more like a cross. It's like that. This is how a doge looks like. So if the market is been going down like that, down like that, down like that, then you see a doji forming here. All right? It simply shows that the market is about to go up. But you don't enter a trade immediately. You wait first for the next candle to confirm. The next candle is supposed to be a bullish or a buyer candle. All right? When this candle closes, that's when now you enter your trade. Okay? That is when now you enter your trade. All right? Same thing also. The market is been going up like that, up like that. Then you see this candle being formed here. Then you wait for the next candle to open like that. Okay? Then you enter your trade here, your sell trade. You sell right there. All right? That's about a doge. Then we go to our next type of candle. All right? Forex guys is a way to go. All right, so let's go to our next candle. Our next candle are called the star. All right, we've got the white star, and also black star. Okay, so the white star is like this. This is a market. It's going down, right? This is a market going down. Then you will see a candle like this being formed. A doge, in other words. This is a doge, all right? You see a doge being formed. Then the next thing you see a candle like this, which has got almost same size like this one, the previous candle before the doge, all right? So this is candle number 1, 2, 3. So these ones, they form a star, okay? So when you see this, it's a confirmation that the market is about to go up like that. All right? It's a confirmation that the market is about to go up. Therefore, you prepare your buy trade on the next candle that comes. And you are done. You are done. All right? I know this one, it may be easy for everybody, but at the end, people, they will start complaining to say, no, the strategy doesn't work. All right? Entry is another thing, and also exit is another thing. You need to know when to exit. Therefore, watch till the end of the video for you to understand everything. All right? Okay. So, let's go to how black star look like. So, the black star is actually opposite to the white star. So, you find that the market to be going up like that. It will be going up like that. Then you see a candle like that being formed there. Then you see this candle. This is the seller. Here, the seller. All right. So these are buyers. They are pushing the market going up. So when you see this kind of a setup being formed, a dodge light there, and please, sorry, I was almost forget something. Here, there is a gap here. There is a gap here Same thing here also. There is a gap. If you check the pattern here, it's almost close, there's no gap. But it forms a gap here and forms a dodge here down. Then later on it jumps again. It leaves a gap, then it forms this one. Of course, this kind of a setup, usually white stars, they are rarely found. They are rarely found, all right? They are rarely found, but definitely they are at some point where they are found, all right, where they'll be noticed. So when they are noticed or when you discover them, this is how you trade, all right? When a setup shows you, this is how you trade. Remember, in Forex, we don't trade because on that particular day we didn't make money, but we trade because a setups in line with our strategy has shown up. This is the mistake that most traders do. When on that particular trade, when that particular day they didn't trade and they feel like they've lost, and therefore they are forced to jump in the market even when their strategy is not agreeing. That's a mistake. So if the strategy you are following is not giving you a signal, don't enter the market. This is the mistake that I've been that I used to make in my beginning of trading, you know, and it costed me a lot. I lost a lot of money because of disobeying my strategy. All right, so let's go to our next type of candle. Our next type of candles are engulfing candles. Why is it called engulfing? Let's start look at first the bullish engulfing candle. So the bullish engulfing candle, you find that the market is going down like this, like that, like that. Then you see a candle, a big candle than the previous candle being formed. All right, you wait for it to cross. When it crosses, another candle open. Sometimes it does tricks. You find that to open, then it will come down a little bit. Just here, you enter your trade. All right, you can enter your trade even the moment it opens. The moment this one crosses, then the next candle, you enter your trade. Definitely the market will shoot up like that. The bearish engulfing or the sellers engulfing, same thing. The market is going up like that. The market is going up like that. Then you see a big black candle being formed here. You wait for it to complete. Then the next candle, you enter your trade. Just here, you enter your sell. And you sell. Definitely the market is going down like that. And you'll be in profit. All right? This is how you analyze candlesticks. Okay? Let's go to we look at the other type of candle. Sorry, like I said that I don't know where I've placed my eraser, so I'm using my hands. Okay, please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you'll be updated of whatever content that that will be uploaded on this channel. Remember, on this channel, the vision of this channel is to share new and proven forex trading strategies, forex trading content. That's our vision on this channel. All right, so all the information that I'm providing on this channel, I've tested and I've seen them working, and this is the reason why I'm sharing them. I'm not just sharing them for the matter of sharing. I'm sharing because it's proven and I've seen it working for me. All right. So let's go to our rust candle, if at all. Yes, our rust candle. So our rust candle, we are going to go for soldiers. Soldiers. All right. Soldiers candle. Soldiers candle uh they are almost like the tweezers, all right, and almost like engulfing candle, almost the same, but there is a slight difference. So let's start with the bullish soldier. So the soldiers, how it looks like is like this. For example, the market is going down like that, like that, like that. All right. Then you see a candle opening almost on the middle of the previous candle and it crosses like that. All right. They are same size, but the only difference is that this one, it opened on the middle of the previous candle and it crossed right there on top. Okay. Almost this candle where it opened from is also on the middle of the other candle. Okay. So this one, you wait for the next candle to open. When the next candle opens, you buy right there. It's a confirmation that the market is about to start going up. All right. So this is how you trade the soldiers. And the opposite is true. The sellers, you find that the market is going up like that. It's going up like that. It's going up like that. All right. Then you see another candle opening like that and cross light there. All right. So this is a confirmation that the market, it has made a turning point here, which is the resistance, and this is the support level. So it's a confirmation that on the next candle you can enter your sell trade here. All right. This strategy, guys, it works, especially for scalpers. Of course, it works for every type of trader, whether you're a scalper, swing trader, position trader, and the day traders. All right, it works. It works. All right. Okay, so we've covered all the 5 types of candlesticks. We've covered all the 5 types of candlesticks. So now the question is, when do you apply the candles? All right, when do you apply these candles? Please pay attention now. This is very, very important for you. This is very, very important for you. Very, very important. Because not every candle that you see, you trade, because you've seen the tweezer, because you've seen the engulfing, because you've seen the bullish spin bar, because you've seen the dodge. No. There are laws to follow. All right. And when you place a trade, remember, the first thing you need to do, you need to identify the trend. All right, this is very important. You need to identify the trend. All right. Okay. You need to identify the trend. And remember, trends is either the uptrend, the downtrend, or the range. All right. So we have the 3 types of trends. There is uptrend, there is downtrend, there is range. All right, and this is how the uptrend looks like. All right, this is how the uptrend looks like. Let me just okay, so it's like this. This is the uptrend, and this is the range market. This is the range. This is the uptrend. Then this is the downtrend. All right. This is the downtrend. Okay. So you need to identify these things before you apply this candle that I've shown you. Okay. So now after you identify the trend, all right, after identify the trend, let's say we want to apply these candles on the uptrend, all right, let's say we've identified that the trend is an uptrend. Okay, let's say we've now identified an uptrend, and this is how it looks like. All right, this is an uptrend. Okay, so we've identified. So let's say we start with a pin bar. Okay, this is the pin bar. Okay, so a pin bar, just like I said, is like this. Okay, so this, for you to apply this, you need to identify a trend. All right, and here now is an uptrend. So after identify, you need to see this on these points. All right, you need to see this on these points. Okay, all right, there, then you are right on the point. When you see these candles on these points, you can be placing your buy. Light here, you place your buy. Light there, you place your buy. Light there, you place your buy. All right, you buy here, you buy here, you buy here. Okay, then in case you see this here like that, don't trade, don't place any trade. All right, don't place any trade, guys. Don't place any trade. Okay, don't place any trade. You only place trade when you see them on these lower points of the uptrend, on the lower points of the uptrend. All right, same thing. If you see the white soldiers or the tweezers, the dodge, the engulfing, they must all on this point. Engulfing candle must appear here, here, here. Not any other position, but here on this position. Then you are ready to go. All right. Okay. I know somebody's asking themselves questions. So now, how do I identify the trend? Don't worry, I will share with you how you can easily identify which trend your market is. All right. So same things when you've identified a downtrend like that. All right. Make sure you see these candles appearing on these points. then you are ready to go. All right, not here. Okay, here, unless you're a professional trader that you want to be placing buys. All right, but it's risky for you to place buy here. Why? Because this trend is a downtrend. It's going down. So unless if you're a professional trader, for you to be placing trades opposite to the trend. All right. So your key points here are these points. You need to identify these points. All right. You need to see this candle here, like that, like that. All right. Or if it's engulfing, you need to see it light there on these points, engulfing candle. If it's a soldier, a star, a dodge, a tweezers, they need to appear here on these points for you to qualify to place sales orders. All right. I get this is clear. Therefore, if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. The next video that I'm going to remove is how you can easily identify the trend. All right, I'll share with you some key secrets on how you can identify the trend. Then later on, we are going to combine everything and come up with a single strategy that you'll be following, you guys, so that at least you'll be making some income for yourself. All right. Therefore, see you in the next video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that at least each time when I remove a video, you are the first one to be updated. Remember, these things, they are more like a series. If you miss out the other series, the next series, you may not be able to understand. So make sure that you've watched even the previous video that I removed. You make sure that you followed. All right. So see you there. You can if you have any question, you can comment and I'll be happy to help you. I'll be happy to assist you. I'll be able to respond to your queries, to your questions, to your additions. You can just easily comment right there in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much. There are other videos that I've removed. You can go and you can search. There's a video for NASDAQ, how to trade NASDAQ. You can search right there. You'll find the video. All right. And guys, another good news. I have another strategy that I use for NASDAQ. I've removed for NASDAQ and gold. In line with this one, the candlesticks one. In line with this one, the strategy is a scalping trading strategy. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. I've been sending some signals in my premium, in my group. There is a free Telegram group. If you want to join the group, just inbox, just comment there. I'll be able to send the joining link. I've been sending signals, free fundamental signals also right there in the Telegram channel. So if you want to join, just comment and I'll be able to send you the link. Shalom, shalom.